Clarke COBS1 Oscillating Bobbin sander is an invaluable addition to any woodworking workshop. The rotating and oscillating action with a stroke length of 16mm provides an exceptional finish, making it ideal for sanding deep and wide workpieces, front edges and narrow inner curves. Stored at the rear of the unit are the 6 supplied sanding sleeves and bobbins from 13 to 76mm, plus spanner, along with the supplied table inserts which are stored in slots on the front. Featuring a dust collection port for connection to a workshop vacuum system, the table inserts are perforated to assist with efficient dust removal, keeping the surface area clear. The process of changing the bobbins, sleeves and table inserts is very simple, and with up to 2000 RPM speed, you'll soon be ready to go. Spare parts including replacement table inserts and bobbins are available from your local Clarke stockist. With its powerful, quiet-running 230-volt 450-watt motor and generous 370 by 295mm cast iron table at a height of 330mm, the COBS1 offers great stability and durability to give a smooth and accurate finish for all your curved workpieces. The COBS1 will serve your sanding needs for many years to come.